Hey guys, I'm Jay. We're here at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, and today I'm going to be going over the Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. It's the #1 selling runabout year after year, and we're going to show you why. So we have to start at the transom here because this one actually has upgraded to a 200. It comes standard with the 150. That 200 power package on this boat, this thing flies. It's about one of the funnest boats that you can ride here out in the Sound. So here we are topside. I'm sitting at the helm here. A couple notable options that this boat has. I do like to stand up and drive and also sit higher, so I have the bolster up right now. But if you wanted to get that more sport boat feel, you can put it down, feel a little more comfortable that way, and have this wind dam actually protect you from the wind here. So it does have a Simrad that's going to give you all of your engine diagnostics. That's going to give you your depth, also a picture of the bottom. So if you're going to want to do some fishing on this boat, hey, you can fish on any boat essentially. One thing I certainly want to mention is that this actually has active trim. So you can set it from a 1 to a 5 as far as responsiveness. And what that does is it puts the motor at the perfect pitch for every operation of the boat. If you want to get on plane, if you're wanting to see top speed, or if you're wanting to tighten up your turns, this will do it automatically. That's one of the benefits, and this is also a digital throttle, so it's effortless to throttle up and throttle down. So here we are, probably my favorite part of the boat. I really like sitting here, lounging out, being able to have a conversation. The benefit of these chairs is the captain's seat actually swivels, and then the two-position lounger here, you can actually have it facing forward or facing aft. So if you want to join the conversation and lounge out, you can just flip that over that way. One of the things that is really good about these outboards is that the inboard engine is not on it. What that does is it adds a bunch of storage up underneath here. And we know how small a boat gets when everybody brings their stuff on the boat. So this is a great place to stow all those things that you don't want in your way while you're out there. You know, with a boat this size, you can kind of picture yourself over a crab island and you're trying to navigate to a friend's boat. 21 foot, it's very easy to navigate. It has a shallow draft, so being able to kind of maneuver through those crowds is really the benefit of having a boat this size. So if you're interested in coming to take this for a spin or any other boat that we have on the lot, call MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach and ask for Jay.